Hamster Combat Allocation Update Breakdown. Hey everyone! In today's video tutorial, I've got some really exciting news to share with you all straight from the Hamster Combat team. Get ready to level up your Hamster Combat game because I've got some seriously interesting updates to share with you. Alright, if you thought Hamster Combat couldn't get any more exciting, think again. They've just dropped another update, and I'm here to spill all the deets. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the airdrop allocation. I know you've all been waiting for this moment, and the time has finally come. When you log into your Hamster Combat account and click on the airdrop section, you'll see a whole new interface. It's like they're leveling up the game and we're all along for the ride. Now, the real interesting part, the criteria they're using to determine your airdrop allocation. It's all about those points. We're talking about passive income, tasks, friends, achievements, Telegram subscriptions, and even keys. It's like they're putting us through a crypto test, but trust me, the rewards are going to be worth it. Now let's break this down one step at a time so that you can maximize your potential earnings. First up, we've got passive income. This is all about your profit per hour, which is tied to the cards you purchase. The more cards you have, the higher your profit per hour will be. This plays a major role in how much you'll earn in the airdrop, so make sure you're continuously increasing that profit per hour. Next, we have End Task. If you navigate to the Earn section, you'll find the YouTube tasks. Here, you need to visit their YouTube channel, watch the daily videos, and take the daily rewards seriously. These tasks are crucial for your airdrop allocation. Now, let's talk about friends. If you're a Hamster Combat CEO and don't have any referrals, it's time to step up your game. However, make sure you're doing this the right way. Don't create multiple accounts just to meet referral goals. You need a certain number of active referrals to be eligible for withdrawals. If you've referred someone, they must be active users. Having more referrals boosts your allocation. This can be challenging. I will make a video about how to get referrals without inviting people directly. Next, achievement. It's upgrading your cards to certain levels or collecting coins. Every achievement counts towards your airdrop allocation. Make sure you're ticking off those achievements regularly. I will make a video covering the achievements soon. Next, Telegram subscription. If you haven't joined the Hamster Combat Telegram channel yet, do it now. This is another key factor in the airdrop allocation. Simply clicking the link isn't enough. You need to actually join the channel and stay active. Lastly, let's talk about the keys. I know some of you think the keys aren't important, but trust me, they play a vital role in your airdrop allocation. So don't ignore them. Make sure you're collecting keys whenever you can. And look at this, the withdraw option is now visible. This is a clear sign that the Hamster Combat launch is just around the corner, so expect something big very soon. If you're watching this video and haven't become a CEO yet, it's not too late. There's still time to join Hamster Combat and secure your spot in this exciting game. The link is in the description, so make sure you check it out. Alright, that's all the updates I have for you today from Hamster Combat. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.